Alright guys, for question 2a, you're asked to identify the response variable. So normally your response variable is the variable on the x-axis. So in your first first table, your response variable would be the English scores. So response variable here will be English. Next we have to determine the regression line. So on your calculator you need to bring up this XY table and we need to go through and put the values in. So in your X we're going to put in 55, 20, 27, 33, 73, 18, 37, 51 and 79, and then we're going to go up, put the corresponding Y values, and then once you've done that, I'm going to go and we're going to go and get our regression for our variables, and it will give you your numbers. So my calculator does it a little differently to yours. You're going to have to use the pathway that you got shown by Mr. last year for your calculator, but it should give you the same numbers. So here I would write down in the exam that A equals 54.17, B equals negative 0.25, and our equation is y equals a plus bx. So we've got 54.17 take 0.25x as our regression equation. Alright, part C. So in part C it says, given the correlation coefficient, explain in terms of the strength of the association. So first of all, I'm just going to write down that R equals negative 0.22. In terms of strength of our correlation, we've got a negative number. So this means we have a negative trend. We have a negative linear association, and it's 0.22. So there it is. If we look back in the textbook on page hold on, gotta find the page now, I've lost it. On page 24, if it's between 0 and 0.25, there is no linear correlation. So I would say the association is that the the association is then negative 0.22, meaning there is no correlation between the two variables of English and history. Something like that. So even though it's a negative, it's not strong enough to have a weak negative linear association. So there is no linear association.